Students, today we will learn about relative pronoun. Which are relative pronouns? Who, whose, whom, which, that are called relative pronouns. They combine two sentences. They are related to the noun or the subject in the sentence. How many forms has relative pronouns? They have three forms. Subjective form, that is who. Objective form, that is whom. Adjective form, that is whose. Let's know where do we use them in the sentences. Who, whom, whose are used for persons. Which is used for things and other than human beings. That is used for both persons and things. Now, combining these sentences with the relative pronouns. Let us take an example. I have a friend. She is kind to me. Here, the two sentences says about friend. I mean the noun or the subject. In the second sentence, the subjective pronoun she is used. So, we have to replace who in the place of she. Then the answer will be, I have a friend who is kind to me. Now study the rule. If the last word of the first sentence and first word of second sentence refers to the same person, we have to replace with who instead of I, we, you, he, she, they. Let's take another example. She loved a boy. She married him. Here, the two sentences refer to the boy. We have to use whom instead of him because the objective pronoun him is used here. The answer will be, she loved a boy whom she married. Rule. If the objective forms me, us, you, him, them are used in the second sentence, we have to use whom instead of them. Next example. I know a boy. His parents were dead. Here also the two sentences refer to the boy and there is adjective form his. So we have to use whose. The answer will be, I know a boy whose parents were dead. Rule. We have to use whose when we see the adjective forms like my, our, your, his, her, their in the second sentence. Next example. I bought a pen. It is red in color. Here the two sentences refer to the pen. As pen is a thing, we have to use which instead of it. The answer is, I bought a pen which is red in color. Let's study another example. Mrs. Amelia Slater is in black. She goes to the window. Here two sentences say about Amelia Slater. So we have to replace who instead of she. We have to adjust the clauses here and write the answer like this. Mrs. Amelia Slater, who goes to the window, is in black. Here the rule is we have to place relative pronoun at the beginning of the incident. Now the use of that. We can use that instead of who, whose, whom, and which. The example: the woman combed your hair. She did it badly. The answer will be the woman who combed your hair did it badly, or the woman that combed your hair did it badly. Next example: the woman you see, she is my sister. The answer will be the woman whom you see is my sister, or the woman the woman that you see is my sister. Then we should use that in cases of superlative adjectives: all, everything, everyone, nothing, nobody, much, little. Example: I have nothing that would impress you. This is the book that you have given me. Everything that he did was good for health. This is the boy that I like so much.